Welcome back to HARBRO Freight. Quality videos, those prices, and we're doubling up. We just did ITC, and now we're doing early Black Friday sale at Harbor Freight. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and or subscribing. And this is a little bit interesting. Early Black Friday, hurry ends Wednesday 11/26, and I was pumped. I was super excited. I'm hoping maybe it's a mistake. We don't know. I was pumped. I love me some early Black Friday deals. I'm expecting some instant savings deals. And here we go. Pittsburgh Automotive Plastic Fastener Kit, 240 piece, $12.99, 27% off. US General Peg type socket trays. If you like the peg type sockets, these are the ones for you. 3-piece, available in 4 colors: blue, green, red, black, but red is SAE only and black is metric only. $17.99, 28% off. But if you're like me, you're like, wait a second, this looks familiar. Maybe they're changing the instant savings to early Black Friday, since technically it's early Black Friday. But let's look at the previous instant savings, which technically expired today. And am I going a little bit crazy? Are they exactly the same? And we'll scroll through it pretty quickly. They do appear to be exactly the same. Now, what I believe Harbor Freight did, as long as it's not a mistake, is they've changed the instant savings that are going on, that would normally go on right now, into early Black Friday, which is a little bit disappointing because we have the 15% off sale going on right now through this weekend. ITC, if you were lucky today, there's a few of you who said it, and I wish I would have been able to release a video with those examples, but people were able to stack ITC with their ITC 15% off today. Nuts. Hopefully that was one of you. But these are the early Black Friday sale. Is the same as the instant savings. So, well, with that being said, we'll review it real fast. And so we'll review this with the thought of 15% off for the weekend off of any single item, because that's the best. And we'll also keep in mind these, although I don't think they're in there, we'll keep the the Black Friday sale in mind. I know there's some Hardy gloves, which should be able to stack on top of these early Black Friday deals during the ITC portion of the Black Friday deals, 24th through the 26th. So right away, Pittsburgh 1/2-inch drive impact socket set, 13-piece, $17, 15% off. Bauer 7-amp 4.5-inch slide switch angle grinder, $27, 10% off. 5x7 foot all-purpose weather resistant tart for $2.19, 26% off. Merlin's 3/8-inch by 50-foot rubber air hose for $20, 20% off. Hardy's pigskin leather work gloves, medium large, extra large, 25% off. These should qualify for that extra 40% off Hardy gloves. So these are kind of a killer steal of a deal. Get these for an extra 40% off. At $4.50, you're getting an extra $1.60 off. So sub $3. I think that's a great deal for some pigskin leather work gloves. All right. Got my attention a little bit. Warriors, number 1, number 2, number 3, titanium step drill bits for $9, 35% off. Pittsburgh's flex head ratcheting combination wrench set, 5-piece, $22, 26% off. Pittsburgh's 15-pound capacity telescoping magnetic pickup tool for $4, 20% off. More Warrior titanium hex shank drill bit set, 13-piece, $6, 14% off. Yukon clear stacking bin, large for $3, 25% off. Voyager's 12-inch tool bag with 21 pockets for $5, 37% off. The 8x11 foot all-purpose weather-resistant tarp for $6, 14% off. And this is when we were talking about Halloween costumes. This is the Ranger full coverage disposable protective suit for $8, 27% off. Quinn's premium screwdriver set, 15-piece at $22, 21% off. More Warrior 6-inch, 9-inch general purpose bimetal reciprocating saw blade set, 15-piece for $12. Vulcan's professional MIG welding gloves, $19, 20% off. 99-cent disposable drop cloths, 50% off. Icon continues. At least this continues, this almost 40% off. The professional impact socket adapter set, 4-piece for $20. The 50 caliber ammo box, $8, 11% off. The Gordon 18-inch machete serrated blade for $6, 14% off. This will probably be cheaper than a fake one, which is crazy. Pittsburgh's micro spring clamp set, 6-piece, 99 cents, 50% off. Bowers Carbide Router Bit Set, 15 piece, $32.99, 13% off. Foam Kneeling Pads, $5 for those of you on your knees all day, 28% off, almost normally $7. Warriors Rotary Tool Accessory Set, 276 piece, $15, 21% off. Quinn Alert 3/4 inch extendable ratchet, $60.99, normally $69.99. Kind of nice, 12% off. Bowers 5.3 amp half inch by 18 inch band file belt sander for $45, 18% off. Merlin's Air blowgun with extensions, 5 piece, $7, 22% off. Yukon's 12 inch zipper utility pouch for $2, 33% off. Icon's 2100 lumen LED rechargeable magnetic 77 inch extendable under hood floodlight for $70, 22% off. Pittsburgh's tool set 60 piece, $20, 20% off. Merlin's dual head air chuck inflator gauge 2 piece, $11, 15% off. The 12 inch ratcheting bar clamp spreader. We said this last time, spread them. Pittsburgh $449, 10% off. Franklin 40 by 50 inch moving blanket, $4, 20% off. Doyle, always good to see, 9.5 inch wire crimping tool for $15, 11% off. Chicago Electric premium welding gloves for $6, 14% off. The 18 inch long neck funnel for $2, 53% off. Pittsburgh's 3-inch C-clamp for $329, 17% off. Union Safe Company 19 cubic, 0.19 cubic feet electronic digital safe for $25, 10% off. 4-inch C-clamp for $4, 16% off. 2-inch by 12-inch red and white reflective strips, 10-pack, $449, 25% off. Pittsburgh trim and molding tool set, 5-piece for $549, 38% off. The 7-inch carpenter's pencil, we love it, to get our free stuff, 49 cents, 28% off. Rangers foldable earmuffs for $6, 14% off. The Pittsburgh 6-inch torpedo level with magnetic strip for $2, 20% off. And then decent, the continuation of the Hercules 20-volt 2-amp-hour lithium-ion compact battery for $30, 33% off. And the Bauer 20-volt 3-amp-hour high-capacity lithium-ion battery, $49.99, 16% off compared to Ryobi, compared to DeWalt. And these are our early Black Friday deals. It's really our old instant saving deals, and it's taking place of the new instant saving deals, unless, like last time, they delay the instant savings by a couple days. I'm not sure. Maybe it's a mistake, but this is what's up right now. Early Black Friday. Looks like it's just the old instant savings, and it's getting extended. And the only thing that looks like it's overlapping with the parking lot sale is going to be that Hardy gloves at 40% off. So that would be a deal. And then just as a comparison, these are this is last year's early Black Friday coupons. Not to say they won't still do something like this, but it seems unlikely. And this is clearly wasn't just an instant savings that was rebranded. They have 3 floor jacks that were on sale last year on top of everything else. So these look like they took the place of the super coupons at that time. And for some reason this year, they're replacing the instant savings. But anyways, a little bit disappointing. We'll see if it changes or updates soon. And if it does update soon, then I will bring it to you. And as always, happy Harbor Freighting, happy shopping, good luck out there. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.